Hello everyone, it's me again. I thought before I leave I should make a cover. This is punk, we do whatever we wanna do. You know, I've decided to leave a punk. So one more thing before I go. My time here is over. Uh, I'm new to this channel, that's why tunasema niko na psych tu ile mbaya. So I leave one more song here, a cover song by Nirvana. Those back in those old days. I was born when Kurt Cobain died. You know, maybe the genes transferred. Let's do this stuff. Kidding. Smell like Teen Spirit. I'll make it. That's Nirvana. I'm gonna live with that too. See you next time. Subscribe to this channel. Then we might have a lot of fun with time. With time. Bye.